Loans are historically and perpetually important to both new businesses and people's personal lives. No one knows when they might need a loan from someone, but it does happen. We should find a better way to maximize our success with both obtaining loans and giving loans out. Our motivation in this project is to predict whether a loan is given in full, in portion, or not at all, based off the certain characteristics of an entity's background information. By being able to predict this decision, we aim to ease the plethora of considerations that are taken in applying for a loan, as well as the investor's concerns about lending a loan. Specifically, we will use some data analysis techniques and the Lending Club loan data found on Kaggle to achieve our goal.
Moving forward, the first thing that we want to find out is the health and heartbeat of the data. How does the data behaves? Are there any outliers on the data? Are the features correlated? Are there any missing values in the data? So we'd be running our data through different imputation techniques and feature correlation techniques, feature scaling techniques, and through algorithms to find out uh, whether our data is complete or not. If not, we'd be doing imputation and feature scaling to make sure that we run our algorithms on complete data set. We would be avoiding correlated features. We would be even deriving new features from the features that we already have and see if uh, are those features any good. The next step would be, if time permits, a text analysis. We would be again trying to draw insights if any specific purpose affect the loan amount or status of the loan. Uh, After text processing, we would be using classification models. We have 6 models: XGBoost, support vector machine, random forest classifier, logistics balance packing classifier, and decision trees. And we would be comparing these 6 models based on the accuracy and see which level of complexity do we need to pass this data through. Once we are done with running the data through this model, we'll be using our accuracy to figure out which model works best for our data set in particular.
The dataset we are going to use called Lending Club loan data. The size of the data file is 421 megabit, which had over 60 columns and about 1 million rows. The data file contains complete loans issued by the Lending Club from 2007 to 2015. Insightful features like loan amount versus funded amount, credit score, loan status, purpose of the loan. These all features will be used to achieve our goal. For the first week, we will do the data importation and some basic analysis to filter out unwanted data. Then, we'll spend another 1 to 2 weeks on feature engineering and baseline analysis with naive methodologies. After that, we'll go further with some proposed methodologies and develop more insights of the data. Finally, we will wrap up the results.